Hey guys, Big Gun Guy 1 here again. Do some indoor shooting at about 10 yards with the Ruger SR9 9mm. I'm going to shoot 10 rounds of Federal, 115 grain, jacketed. I'm sorry, not jacketed hollow points. The Remingtons are jacketed hollow points. And the Federal 115 grain, and then Winchester 115 grain. So I'm going to start with the Federal, top left. Remington hollow points, 115 grain, bottom left. Does that make a difference? Winchester. 115 grain, top right. Well, same shooter, 3 different ammos. There you have it. Federal, Remington hollow points, Winchester. Not crazy about those hollow points. This Big Gun Guy 1 saying, shoot safe, shoot often.